बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में MS वर्ड के MCQs हम कवर करने वाले हैं। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकन प्रेस करें ताकि नई आने वाली वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। मज़ीद वीडियो देखने के लिए नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक्स दिए हुए हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Which menu do you choose to shed words and paragraph? Format, borders and shading, insert of borders and shading, view shading, none of the above. So the correct option is A. The header and footer command are located on the dash tab in MS Word. Home, insert, view, header. So the correct option is B. The main elements of the dash are insertion point, end mark, mouse pointer, rulers, scroll bars and status bar. Word toolbar, formatting toolbar, Word document window, graphic toolbar. So correct option is B. Ctrl plus up arrow shortcut key is used in a Microsoft Word to move the cursor one page up, move the cursor one line up, move the cursor one screen up, move the cursor one paragraph up. So the correct option is D. Ctrl plus End shortcut key is used in MS Word to move the cursor to the end of the line, move the cursor to the end of the document, move the cursor to the end of the paragraph, none of the above. So the correct option is B. Ctrl plus page up shortcut key is used in MS Word to move the cursor one page up, move the cursor one paragraph up, move the cursor one screen up, move the cursor one line up. Correct option is A. Ctrl plus left arrow shortcut key is used in MS Word to move the cursor beginning of the line, move the cursor one word left, move the cursor one paragraph up, move the cursor one paragraph down. Correct option is B. Ctrl plus down arrow shortcut key is used in MS Word to move the cursor one paragraph down, move the cursor one line down, move the cursor one page down, move the cursor one screen down. So correct option is A. ये MCQs तकरीबन हर एग्ज़ाम में आते रहते हैं और बिल्कुल ये कन्फ्यूजन पैदा करता है, तो इसको सही समझना है। Ctrl plus right arrow shortcut key is used in MS Word to move the cursor one word right, move the cursor end of the line, move the cursor end of the document, move the cursor one paragraph down. So correct option is A. Ctrl plus page down shortcut key is used in MS Word to move the cursor one paragraph down, move the cursor one page down, move the cursor one line down, move the cursor one screen down. So the correct option is B. Ctrl plus Home shortcut key is used in MS Word to move the cursor to the beginning of the document, move the cursor to the beginning of the line, move the cursor to the beginning of paragraph, all of the above. So the correct option is A. Ctrl plus delete shortcut key is used in MS Word to delete the word just after the cursor, delete the word just after the cursor, delete the single letter just after the cursor, delete the single letter just before the cursor. So the correct option is A. Ctrl plus Backspace is used in Microsoft Word to delete the single letter just before the cursor, delete the single letter just after the cursor, delete the word just before the cursor, delete the word just after the cursor. Correct option is C. And keyboard key is used in Microsoft Word to mouse the cursor end of the line, mouse the cursor end of the document, mouse the cursor end of the paragraph, mouse the cursor end of the screen. Correct option is A. Home keyboard key is used in Microsoft Word to mouse the cursor beginning of the document, mouse the cursor beginning of the paragraph, mouse the cursor beginning of the screen, mouse the cursor beginning of the line. So the correct option is D. Page down keyboard key is used in Microsoft Word to mouse the cursor one line down, mouse the cursor one page down, mouse the cursor one screen down, mouse the cursor one paragraph down. So the correct option is C. Page up keyboard key is used in Microsoft Word to mouse the cursor one line up, mouse the cursor one screen up, mouse the cursor one page up, mouse the cursor one paragraph up. So the correct option is B. Ctrl+Z shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to undo the last action, redo the last action, edit the new page, paste the content from clipboard. So the correct option is A. Ctrl+Y shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to undo the last action, repeat the last action, delete the last page, delete the first page. So the correct option is B. Ctrl+X shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to close document, close Word application, cut the selected contents, copy the selected contents. So the correct option is C. Ctrl+W shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to save and print the document, save and close Word application, save and close document, without save, close document. So the correct option is B. So आज की वीडियो में इतना ही काफ़ी है। इंशाल्लाह आपसे अगली वीडियो में मुलाकात होगी। तब तक इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।